Yeah, good evening, sir, boss man. As you're looking now, yeah, we got more blacks here. We got blacks here. Yeah, but right now, the far back finish. We ended with the far back today. Yeah, we ended with far back today, but we shot banana 2 courses. Yeah, we shot banana 2 courses. Motor finish. I think you see, I get in near here, walking towards it to show you. Yeah, walking what I think you see from here to go all the way. I think you see me, I think you see it from here. Are you seeing from here? There is a fresh wall. Another fresh wall like this. Another fresh wall like this. There's another one. Yeah, a cement finish. Yeah, cement finish. Banana far back, we use it. We finish with it. Then you see it for a distance. Yes, it's a fresh wall. You see it? Fresh wall. Fresh wall. You see it? Cement finish. Cement finish from here all the way to the back here. This is the back side with air. Do you see? To go all the way. Yeah. So tomorrow we have nowhere to do tomorrow here. We just waiting and looking up to you there. Yeah, nowhere we're doing it now tomorrow because our cement can make it to work. There's no cement now. Yeah. Do you see here to go? All the way. To go again. All the way to go. 2 courses left to get the same level here from the back here, for the back here. But on 2 more courses, then the back side is correct for the lintel caching, for the pillows. Then, if we get cement, we can start with the other side. To complete 2 courses, we start with the other side foundation before the cement, before the steel rod and the other one can come. The steel rod, the plank, the wire. But they'll complete the other side foundation, which is going towards it. The side near the railway. Near the railway. We still got more blocks, planners. We got more blocks here. Plenty. Yeah. We still got more blocks here. I think you see the level from here to go. Look at the level. You see from here to go with the level, all the way to go with the level. I think you see the level to go all the way. It takes the same level to go. All the way to go. All the way to go. Until we stop right here, cement finish. So you now reach to the level. I think you see it, you now reach to the level. You see about 2 more courses to go. That is correct. Then any cement you send now, we'll complete 2 courses. Then we'll get in the hole here, the other side to go all the way to go. The other side will be starting when the cement come. When the cement come, this is where area. This is where area. Do you see it? So that's it. I'm going into the warehouse. I'm going to the warehouse, you see. Going to the warehouse so you can see what we're doing here. Yeah. Going to the warehouse so you can see. But man, where you keep the wheelbarrow outside for? We're not going to put the wheelbarrow inside. You wash it. If you not wash it, you can see the rocks and come to it. Here's the black. We see how sufficient sand. You see the sand? It's not do nothing here. It not go nowhere here. You see the crush rock? The crush stay here plenty. It stay here plenty. Okay, we'll go inside, you can see. As you can see here, as you can see, here, everything will blow up. These are about small red I left there. But you see, it's not too plenty again. I think when you see our cement, you probably one better red there. Yeah. Yeah. And that's it there. But I think by next week, at least you get a small thing. At least to get a small thing. Somebody wants to do the family then. Yeah. You have small thing for our money. So they can send to our family then. While we are here.